Well, hey guys, and welcome back to yet another review on my channel, Everything Trains Media. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new Athearn Genesis 2.0 SD70ACus with Tsunami 2 sound and LED lighting. I have mine in the Canadian Pacific scheme number 7000. MSRP on these is around $340. I picked mine up from Overland Hobbies for around $280. So, let's unbox this thing next. Alright, so unboxing very simple. We're just going to slide this over. You get that very nice, beautiful box. Athearn's 75th anniversary. On the inside, you have your operator's manual, spare parts diagram and parts list, Athearn news, and your warranty information. I know I got a little blurry there, but let's get to the part that everybody really wants to see, and that's the locomotive. These things are huge. Let's see if there's anything in here. There's not, so we're going to put that to the side. So unboxing very simple. Just pull it out, the sleeve. It looks like it's wrapped in here. Try and get that out. Alright, so I'm going to get these handrail protectors out, and we'll take a closer look at this model next. Alright, so taking a closer look at the model here, we're going to start by looking at the front. So I'm going to turn it here. We'll zoom out just to make it fit. Alright, so on the front you have your rubber MU cables and rubber air hoses, plastic McHenry knuckle couplers, MU cable here. It looks to be a little loose. Right here you have your ditch lights, MU receptacle, it looks like right here, CP on the front, dual headlight, separately applied grab, sand filler hatch. Now with these models, the roof comes off, I believe, yep. So on the inside, if it focuses, you can see there's some detail on the inside. But we're going to put that back on the top. It just slides right in. I guess that brings us to the side of the model. You can see right here, number 7000, sunshades. Really nice detail right here, really nice step detail, all see-through. On this side you got the big Canadian Pacific beaver logo paint scheme here. Horn on top, I think it's 3-chime there. Dustbin hatch. A lot of little warning labels there and stuff. This door is really molded in there. You can really, it kind of looks like it could be open, to be honest. That's pretty cool. Huge fuel tank. These models are long. This is probably almost as long as an auto rack. This side you can see the brake chain there, which is real. Looking at the back, you can see that big CP logo there. Number 7000. These do have lit number boards on the front. The back it is painted on. You got spare knuckles on the left and the right there. Ditch lights on the rear of the locomotive, separately applied grabs. The handrails are very straight, as you can see from this angle. Now these are rebuild SD90 Max, I believe. So you can see the back of the locomotive is more like an SD90 Mac, while the cab is an SD70 cab, which is an SD70ACu all put together. Now when we're looking at the bottom of this model, there's not too much detail on the bottom. But there's a screw right here, so you can take off the fuel tank. And the bell is actually right here. There's an E-bell. So that'll do it for detail. Let's take a look and see if the wheels are engaged next. Alright, so we're going to grab the locomotive here. And I have the HO scale side here. And we're going to see if it is engaged. That side's good. That one is good. Good. And the rear. Good. Trying to find the groove there. Good. And good. So the wheels are engaged. on this model. Alright, so next we're taking a look at the coupler height. As you can see on the front of the model it seems to be dead on, and on the rear of the model it seems to be just a tad bit low. Alright, so we're going to take a look at some of the sounds that this model has to offer, starting with the startup sequence. Now these models are set to the address of 3 out of the box. We're going to start out with some lighting features. We got F0's the headlights. Let's see it there. 6 is the number boards. See them going on there. And then F5 was those ditch lights. Let's take a look at some of the sounds. F1 is the bell. F2 is the horn. F3 is the short horn. F4, not quite sure what F4 is. I don't think it's listed on here. Like I said, F5 is those ditch lights. 6, number boards. 7 is the headlight dimmer / cab chatter. And it looks to be it for the main sounds. We're going to push this back a little bit, and we're going to go through some of the speed steps, starting with number 1. Looks to be a little bit jumpy on the box. Not too bad. This is the first time it's being run. 2. It doesn't appear to be as jumpy. 3, 4, and 5, and then reverse. You hear that prime mover as well. It sounds really nice. Speed step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can see the lighting better from there. This is speed step 9 right here. Alright, so we're going to flip this model around and look at the rear lighting. Alright, so we got the model flipped around. We'll just move it back a little more this way. Here's the rear headlight. Dim and bright. And then the rear ditch lights. And then we'll run it in reverse. And then back and forward. Alright guys, well that's going to do it for this review of the Athearn Genesis 2 SD70ACus. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you guys did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And comment what you guys would like to see as a review next. But like I said, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.